Hello children, today we are going to see chapter 4 using Python libraries type C question number 1. So in this first question, we have to write the function to remove the letter from the sentence. So here what will be our input? Hello there if I am giving as a sentence. So it has to remove a particular letter. For example, if I am saying E, it has to remove the E letter and it has to display. Okay, let us begin the program. Def remove letter, we will give as a function name remove letter. Then what are the arguments I am going to pass to this send, that is sentence, comma letter which I am going to remove from this sentence. That both the arguments I am going to pass to this function. Okay. So next, what I am going to use, split method I am going to use. It is given in the question itself, split method. So by means of using a splitting method, I am going to separate the sentence. I am going to remove the, I am going to break the sentence. Okay. So send1 is equal to send dot split. So here which letter I am, by means of which letter I am going to split the sentence, that here I am specifying it. For example, in that particular sentence I want to remove the E, means E letter will be passed here. Okay. For example, I will give you the example. Send1 is equal to, I am giving hello there. Okay, quotes I am giving hello there. Okay, so here which letter I am going to split? By means of which letter I am going to split? E. Split is E. By using E letter I am going to split the sentence. Okay. Print of So let us execute now. Send1 and split of E. E I should give in single quotes. So you can see here the hello there word is sentence is split according to E. You can see H and LLOTH R, like that it is split. So by using this we are going to split the sentence. Okay. Let us remove this. For example, I showed that. Let us remove this and send1. For example, send1 is equal to send dot split and letter I am going to pass to this method. Okay. Then here you saw that if I am using a split method, your output will be like this. H separate items inside the list, you will have the separate items. To making it as a sentence, what I am going to do, I am going to use a for loop for I in send1. For I in send1, what I am going to do, I am going to add to the string. Okay. So let us declare the empty string now. Send2 is equal to empty string I have created. Then each and every element I am going to take from the list and I am going to add to the send2. Okay. Send2 equal to send2 plus I. Then return send2. Now you understood? Each and every item in the list I am taking one by one. I am adding that to send2, new string. Okay. Then what I am going to do is, here function declaration everything. Now let us take the input from the user. Sen is equal to input of enter a sentence. Then later we have to get one more input. Input of enter the letter to be removed. Okay. These are the two inputs we are going to get from the user. Then we have to call the function. Inside print function, I am going to call the function. Sen and letter I am going to pass to that function. Okay. Let us execute now. It's asking for the input. Hello there I am giving. Then which letter to be removed? E to be removed. You can see here our expected output we achieved. Okay. One more time I will execute. So let us give this is a ball. Letter I am going to remove I. Okay, you can see here expected output we have achieved. If you have any doubt, children, you can write in the comment. For my further videos, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you. The next question is, write a function to do the following. That is, we have to, instead of using cap word functionality, the same functionality we should bring it using split, capitalize and join method. By using these three methods, we have to bring that functionality. Okay. So let us begin the program now. This we will remove. Otherwise, we will make it with under the comment. Okay. Here, what will be our input? Expected input is going to be sentence. Okay, sentence. And output is going to be capital letter. Okay, everything should be in capital letter. The checkpoint is this we have to achieve. This capital letter we can achieve by means of using the methods. Methods are there to make it as a capital, everything capital. Instead of that, we are going to use split, join and capitalize, and we are going to reach this output. Okay. So what is the logic behind this? First, we have to get the sentence from the user. Then what we have to do? We have to split the sentence. Okay, this is the first step, split the sentence. After splitting, what we are going to do? We are going to capitalize. But the capitalize method is used to make it capital in a first letter in the word. It will do the it will make a capital first letter in a word. But we are using that method to make all the letters capital, everything capital. Then after that, we are going to join each and every word. Okay, let us begin the program. First, get the input from the user. Okay. Sen equal to input of enter the sentence. Okay. Then we should call the function that let us write now itself. Cap words. So argument which we are going to pass is sen. Okay. Now we will begin with the function. So for writing the function, def is a keyword and the cap words itself we can have as a function name. Then the argument we are going to pass is sen. Okay. Then what we have to do, I already told you, first step is splitting the sentence. So sen1 is equal to sen dot split. Okay. Sen dot split. So after that we have now splitted the sentence. So all the words in the sentence is gathered in the list. Okay, separate items will be there. Then what I am going to do, I am going to take each and every word and going to capitalize. For example, here let us print the Sen1, then you will understand better. So I gave this input. You can see here now the sentences break into 4 parts. This is a ball. 4 parts it has broken. Okay. Then now what I am going to do, first I am going to take this word alone. Then each and every word I am going to take. Okay. So for taking this word alone, what I am doing, I am using a for loop for I in Sen1. Okay, now what I did, now I have taken this. Then what I am going to do, I am going to take a T from that word. For that I am using another word, another for loop for J in I. So now I have taken T. Okay, so what I should do with the T, I should capitalize the T. That is J dot capitalize. So J dot capitalize I did. Now T becomes capital T. So what I am going to do, I am going to gather this in a word. Okay, I am going to add this in a word. So each and every letter I am going to capitalize. I am going to add that in a word. For this word I am assigning empty word. Okay, empty word I am assigned, empty string I have assigned. In that empty string I am going to capitalize each and every letter and I am going to add in that. Okay, so each and every letter I capitalize, then I should group those words. Okay, what I am doing, Sen2 is equal to all the words I am going to gather in a sentence, another sentence. Okay, so all the words are gathered and form as a sentence. So this Sen2 also, let us assign this. Sen2 is equal to empty string. Okay, then what I did so far, what I have completed, I split the sentence, then I capitalize each and every letter, and each and every letter I capitalized and gathered in the word, and each and every word I gathered into a sentence. Okay, now what I should do, I should gather all the things. Now separate words will be inside the Sen2. Now I should join all the words and make it as a sentence. Okay, so new Sen is equal to single quotes and join of Sen2. Whatever words you have inside Sen2, I am going to join with a space or without space I am going to join. Return new Sen. Okay, so here I am going to use print. Let us execute now. So this is a ball I am giving as an input. What is our expected output? Everything should be in a capital letter. So you can see here, this is a ball. One input print statement I have given. Let us remove this. Now execute. This is a ball. You can see we got our expected output. In the question what they asked us to compare the two output which we got from this function capwords and which we got from the routine method, that is uppercase method we have, right? From that we will be getting one output. No, both the things we have to compare. Okay, so let us give print statement separately. Print using capwords. So using cap words, what will be our output? Okay, then print statement using uppercase method, comma, what I should do? Send dot upper. Okay, let us execute now. This is a call as an input I am giving. You can see here, using cap words we got one output, using uppercase we got one output, but both the output are looking same. Okay, thank you children. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comments. For my further videos, subscribe the channel.